Okay. Good morning, everyone. I'm Balbo, and I know each one of us has our very own most unforgettable experiences in life. Well, I am here to tell you the story of how my brother Leon brought home a wife. Well, my brother has had a wife named Maria, and our father wanted to prove that Maria is worthy as his wife. And so, after all the consequences, we lived happily ever after, but then something happened. So here it is. OMG, what the? What's happening to you? Bea na. Kinakarir ah. Ay na ba? What brought you here? Talk to me. I shall tell you something. Yes, what will you tell? I have friends na. Bea, naglilinis. What is my role there? I see nothing. Even then, I will also tell something to you. Wow! You know, Maria, I'm in love with you. I can't believe this, but you're an animal. Oh my God! Nowhere daw. Wala nang effort yung ngipin. Wala nang effort yung ngipin.
Sila naman.
Open baby.
What's wrong with the baby?
We're going to check it.
Duduko. Carol niya.
Bahawak sa legs ko.
What's wrong with the baby?
Manila ba?
Alive. Dead, right?
Unfortunately, I have a bad news for you. Unfortunately, your baby died because of what happened. Well, Simon.